Hello everyone, how are you today? Mm, Talking about a ninja. Okay, talking about ninja. Ninja have a star, ninja star. Okay, in this session, I want to tell you how to make origami ninja star. And I have two ninja star. Okay, we can make like this less than 5 minutes. Okay, let's start. I put it here. You can watching two ninja star in here. So I have two paper, and you should have two paper, which is origami paper. And then let's start to make this ninja star blade. Okay, okay, open and sledge like home. Okay, like home. In the right and left, this like home. 1, 2. Okay, we start here. Okay, we have cross. Okay, open, then open. So cross here, cross. Okay, opposite. Okay, then this. Okay, opposite. So we have two patterns, and then send to backward. Okay, like this, right? Okay, like this. Okay, and then create a triangle. Okay, create, then and here. Okay, and cross and cross. Okay, open. Which one? Same. Oh, this like S. Okay, S, and we can make it Z alphabet. Okay, Z alphabet. this S, this Z alphabet. Okay, W, Z, okay, and cross. Okay, cross. Okay, put it. Then this come to here. And turn back. Let's go same on here, and this to here. Okay, we made it ninja star. Okay, we have 3 ninja star. You can make it easy. How to make origami ninja star? It's very easy, less than 5 minutes. You can make it at home with your children. Okay, good luck.